No, seriously, why do so many animals evolve into crabs? Scientists notice something strange. Completely different animals keep evolving into the same crab-like shape. Yes, the real scientific term is carcinization, when evolution turns non-crabs into crab-shaped animals. Here's the crazy part. King crabs, porcelain crabs, and coconut crabs are not true crabs. Their ancestors looked more like lobsters. The crab body is evolution's cheat code. A flat shape helps survive ocean floors. A hard shell protects from predators. Sideways movement gives quick escape, and a tucked-in tail reduces weak points. So different species, in different times, faced the same survival problems, and evolution kept choosing the same solution. At this point, if evolution had a favorite animal, it's definitely the crab.